ySense. This is my favorite GPT website which helps you to earn cash and other rewards by taking surveys, completing offers, playing games, referring friends and in many more ways. Most GPT websites will only have survey routers and not provide direct survey invitations. Unlike most other GPT websites, this website will give you direct survey invitations. This website has direct tie-up with many market research panels, so this site offers lot of survey invitations daily and also rewards higher incentives for surveys. On average, you can earn a $1 to $5 per day if you know how to do surveys very well. You can redeem your earnings as cash through PayPal, Skrill or Pioneer, or you can get them as online gift vouchers. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5, varied based on the payment method you choose.